Hello everyone, good morning student. Today we will see the OCM subject. Unit number 5, Imaging Modes of Business. The study is the buying and selling process in online transaction. Today we will see the outsourcing, the introducing, meaning and concept, and need of the outsourcing, advantages and outsourcing in advantages. The introduction: outsourcing is the process in controlling business of the function or any specific business activities or specialization agencies, mostly non-cares areas such as the sanitation, security, household, pantry. The example of the outsourcing is the by companies. The company make by the formal agreements with of the agency. Their agency can send the required manpower is of the company. The agency charges the company by for their services in the without the help of the outsourcing. Company can be focused on their in the care of areas. The meaning of concept: outsourcing is the process in the contracting and the business of function in specialized agencies. The company benefits in two ways. Number one, it reduce of the its own of the cost. Second, it use of the expertise in the firm in specialize of the particular kinds of the service. Number example out of sourcing. The establishment such of the shop, small house society, office, other outsourcing of the facility like of the canteen, sanitation, security. The sum of the agreement in the wedding anniversary, birthday celebration can also have the outsources. The other sources of the anniversary of marriage, anniversary, birthday and other activities of the social work in the outsources. Need of the outsourcing societies. Today, services all the over world of the becoming highly specialized. Most services in the require of finally turn of the skill. Without increase of the global competition, most company are focusing showcasing of the their producer, improvement of the quality of goods. This is the focus of the company in conquered in the heart of core activities. Therefore, company are taking fresh look of the business in process. This is money of non-care in area of the beginning outsources of the from in the specific skill of the work in force. The concept of outsourcing as the agreement in result of this thinking. Advantage of outsourcing. Number one, overall cost advantages. Second, stimulates entrepreneurs employment of the expert, low manpower of cost, access of the professional expert and high quality services. 5. Emphasis of the core process rather than the supporting of one's investment of the required of the reduce. 7. Increase of the efficiency of the productivity, knowledge of the sharing. The advantages of outsourcing. 5.3 Advantages of outsourcing. First, overall of the cost advantages. It reduces of the cost and also save time of the import of training cost. Second, entrepreneurship, employment and export. Outsourcing of the stimulate mean the entrepreneurship, employment and export of the country. Low manpower of cost. The manpower cost is the much lower than the cost of host company. Access professional, expert and high quality of service. Mostly tasks are the given people or the kind of skill particular field. They provided in the better level of the service and never change of the areas. Number 5. Emphasis of core process rather than the supporting of ones. With help of the companies in the focus of their course area without need of the better profit and increase of the quality and product of the envelope. 6. Investment of the requirement in the reduce. The organization can save of the investing the latest of technology, software and infrastructure, lead of the outsourcing partner, handle with the entire and infrastructure of the basic concept. Number 6. 7. Increase of the efficiency of the productivity. There is the increase of the efficiency and productivity of the non-area of the organization. And number 8, knowledge of the sharing. Outsourcing enable organization of the share of knowledge or the best of practice with each other. In can help of the developing the both of the companies and also boost up the goodwill and the industrialization. Disadvantage of outsourcing and limitation of the outsourcing. Third, disadvantages of outsourcing. Disadvantages of outsourcing. First, lack of the customer focus. Second, threat of the security and confidently. Dissatisfaction of the service, ethics of the issue, and other disadvantages. Number 1, lack of the customer focus. And outsources of the vendor may the catering need of the multiple organization at a time. In such of the situation, by may lack of the complete focus in the individual organization as a result, for organizations may suffer. Second, threat of the security and confidently. The confidential information on organization may be leaked of the third party, so there are the security of issue. Dissatisfaction of service. Some of the common problem in the area of outsourcing of the include structure delivered by time to standard of quality. Ethical of issue. The major ethics of issue in taking with the employment opportunity from the ones of the country when function of the outsourcing company from the other country. Other disadvantages. Disadvantage of contract, lack of the communication, poor quality of the delay in services. Today we will see the outsourcing of meaning, definition, advantages and disadvantages. Tomorrow we will see the outsourcing of the business process of outsourcing, BPO. Business process of the outsourcing, meaning, definition, advantages and disadvantages. Thank you so much. Any difficulty to discuss to point to any complaint and suggestion on the WhatsApp number and as we discuss. Thank you so much.